Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today we're going to be learning how to change the oil on a 2017 Toyota Rav4. So the first thing we want to do is jack up the car. Next we'll want to get a large piece of cardboard and put it underneath the car to protect ourselves, just give us a nice cushion. Next, using your drain pan and a socket wrench and a 14mm socket, you're going to loosen the drain plug and you're going to drain out all the oil. Before putting the drain plug back in, make sure to take off the old gasket and put a new gasket on. Then just put the drain plug back and tighten it up all the way. Next, loosen the oil filter drain plug with a 3/8 ratchet extension. With the new oil filter, you want to take this piece of plastic, stick it up inside there, and it'll drain out all the oil from the oil filter. Once that's done draining, you want to take a specific tool that's made for this Toyota, which is an oil filter wrench. You got to get this one because it fits specifically for this model. You can go to any auto parts store, look it up online. You want to take your socket wrench and then you want to take off the rest of the filter. Next, you'll want to take your old oil filter out of the housing unit and put the new filter in. You want to take this guy out, and then you want to put the new one in as well. Now, there are a couple things to learn here. You want to get a little bit of oil and take it, put it along the O-ring for the housing. Do the same thing for this one. But make sure to take off the old ones first. Just rub some oil all around it. Put the new filter in. A good general rule of thumb too is to fill up the oil filter with a little bit of the new oil housing. So just fill it up a little bit. Kind of let it rest. So next you want to put the oil filter back on, but when you put it back on, you want to use a torque wrench, and you don't want to tighten it to more than 22 foot-pounds of torque. A lot of these things are over-tightened, and it's just not the right way you want to go. So make sure to put it back on and tighten it till you hear a click. Lastly, don't forget to put the oil filter cap back on. So now that you've drained everything, you just want to lower the car back down to the ground evenly, and then we're going to start doing the filling process. Next, we'll want to add about 4 quarts, check the level, start the car, and then check it again. So see, it's currently like right there between the low and the high, but we still want to add just a little bit more. So I'm going to turn on the car and then check it one more time. So now we want to check the oil level again, see where it is. So now that we added enough, it's right between the 2 dots of low and high. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but we add just a little bit more, probably like 4.8 quarts. And it's right there, and that's exactly where you want to be. So that's it. That's everything you need to know on how to change the oil on a 2017 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.